Hello, I'm excited to come your way. I want to take this opportunity to invite you to Kingslove Church. We're a new church in the Corby area, and so we're inviting people around the North Northamptonshire area to come fellowship with us. We have powerful and interesting projects for the family. My area of expertise is to advise family household with income maximization and financial inclusion. So any area that will help you with your welfare benefits rights, personal independent payments, disability, living allowance. We're there as a church to help families build and to help families maximize their household income. So we invite you. We have open surgeries on Fridays, between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. We have open surgeries that we advise many families to get onto what their entitlements are. So come and we'll be there to support you in every way that you need. We love you and we celebrate you.